Near Protocol Wallet tutorial for beginners. Hey, wait, you might not be a beginner, but you don't go anywhere because you will probably still learn something in this video. So today we are going to talk about Near Protocol Wallet. Everything from the basics like how to safely store your seed phrase and top up the account to more advanced things like staking or interactions with Dapps from Near ecosystem. And in the end of this video I will tell you about the transition of the official Near wallet into the multi-wallet portal. Alright, I see that we are ready to go. Hey, but before we start, my name is Anton and you on the Web3 Pilot channel. I help you navigate through the crypto space. And also I want to clarify that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Here I deconstruct how complex Web3 systems work and make simple guide on how to use them. So if you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So we go to the website of the official wallet, wallet.near.org. Double check the URL, there are plenty of scam websites that look the same. Here we can import the account or create a new one. I will click to create a new account, some basic info about the wallet, and I can get started. Alright, I have to choose how to store my private keys at this step, by myself or with a hardware wallet ledger. I would prefer the first option and click Secure Phrase. Then I click Secure my account. That is the most important part. I have to write down all the 12 words on paper. Never store this phrase online, consider it as a master key to your wallet. If someone gets access to it, funds are gone. So be careful. I did a few copies of these words and click Continue. The system wants to verify that I'm not a complete idiot. Right, I confirm the word number 9 from my list and click Verify. Awesome! We have created the Near wallet account. But how can we top up our Near account? Oh, it's easy these days, we have plenty of options, so we go to the Deposit Near section and check all the methods available to us. So we can buy some Near with our credit card using one of the payment gateways, such as Near Pay. Also, we can bridge Near directly to our freshly created account with Rainbow Bridge. And of course, we can buy the token at any exchange like Binance and withdraw it to our account. All of these methods are comfy, but as far as I have some Near at another wallet, I'm just going to directly transfer it. So I go back and click Receive. Then I send some Near from another wallet. What's next? First, I can show you how to secure a cool custom name for your account. So we click Add a custom address, type the name we want to take, and check its availability. Then we click Reserve my account ID. Choose Secure Phrase and write down the 12-word seed phrase again. It would be a separate account. But I don't need it right now, so I hit the wallet icon. Another feature I want to show you how to use is staking. It's a way to secure the network and gain yield from your Near tokens. So I click Stake my tokens and choose the validator. I usually try not to select commercial validators, but someone who adds some value to the network. Here, for example, I choose Everstake. I choose the minimum amount and click Stake. Excellent, it's successful. With your wallet, you can connect to all the dApps from the Near ecosystem. To do so, we have to click Explore dApps and visit the awesome Near website. Here we can see plenty of different applications that work on Near. So let me show you how to swap your tokens on DEX. So we go to Ref Finance and go to the dApp. First of all, we need to connect the wallet and approve it with our Near wallet. Then we have to choose the tokens we want to swap and submit the transaction. I would swap some small amount of Near to algorithmic stablecoin USN. I click swap and have to confirm it in the wallet. Click approve. Excellent, the swap is successful. Let's check it in Near Explorer. Everything's correct. Alright, I go back to the wallet. Let's visit the Activity tab. Here we can see the initial transfer to the wallet, the staking transaction, authorization to the Dapps, and the swap. Okay, let me show you how to send tokens with the wallet. I click Send, use Max, and enter the custom name of my other account. Click Continue and confirm it. Great, transaction is submitted. Multi-wallet future. For a long time, Near had only one official wallet, but just recently, on July 29, the Near Foundation announced the transition of the wallet.near.org page to a portal of all compatible wallets. No worries, you can import your account to any of the supported Near wallets with a seed phrase we have recently created. So let's wait a bit once the transition takes place. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like and hit the subscribe button. Tell me your favorite Near ecosystem project in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to the Web3 Pilot Weekly Show channel. The link is below. See you on Web3. Bye.